how has being a parent changed your partner?
Okay, I'm gonna be honest real quick. I have a flair for the dramatics a little bit, you know?
No.
Yeah, just a little bit. And I would say that the beautiful thing that's happened is now I recognize Omar listening, really listening to find out what's going on with me. Because at a point, being a parent, there's a time when I feel like I have to tap out. Like I'm getting too stressed out and I don't want to make the baby stressed out. Right. So I've noticed Omar, who used to kind of like look at me, be dramatic and be like, okay babe. Now he's like, oh, you need me? I'm there.
We try to give each other the space that we need and listen to each other more, because only by doing that will our life with the baby be easier, you know? And it's not a tit for tat or trying to one up the other person at all, because that's not healthy and that doesn't make it, it's all about making it easier, really.
Yeah, and staying in a mood, like that's what Connie taught me that I think is beyond valuable.